Hi guys, how's it going? It's Roblox Granny Pro here. I did promise you guys that I'm going to do a video on this, but here we are. So, how to use the Pojav launcher? So, I'm gonna provide a link in the description of this video on where to find Pojav launcher for Android. I am not sure if iOS has a link like on the App Store. But if there is, I'll see if I can find the link and I'll put in the description for if there is one for iOS and the link for the Google Play Store for Android. So once you installed it, you're gonna be met with this screen. Now on top is one gonna want you to make your own account. So you click on Add Account. This is gonna show that. Now you can, if you have Minecraft Java Edition, well I don't, but if you have Java Edition, you can log in with your account, your Microsoft account. But if you don't have Java Edition like me, we're still waiting on a laptop, then you can just make a local account, which is the one I'm using. So you click on a local account, then you type in your email or your username, and then boom, that's where I have my name here. Now by default, you won't have any versions, and my internet is still off because of load shedding. So these are the ones that I put in. So you just want to go to create new profile. You can name the profile anything you want. You can choose the version that you want to download. It goes all the way up to the latest snapshots, like there's 1.20 pre-release 2. You can have old beta days of Minecraft, like beta 1.0, but you're just gonna have to change the settings all the way to like RD1322. I don't even know if it still works, but yeah, that's all you do, and you just tap on your version and then just click save. And then you're gonna have your normal version, which is gonna be like this 1.12.2. Now if you want to customize your controls, you click on custom controls, and this is where you can activate any of the buttons. Like you can add a button. Let's say for instance I can put my button here, and then I can call this button, the name is gonna be C for the control C. So let's see C. Then you can map that to the keyboard letter C. And that's good. You can play around with it, but don't play around with everything else. So I'm just gonna save it on the default. This one apparently glitches, so I'm gonna have to do default like that. Okay, cool. And then you can just oops, just close that, and then you can just click play, and then it will, for the first time you're gonna have to have an internet connection because we'll install the Minecraft jar and all the folders, and then you'll be loading in here, and just click on mouse, the button here that says mouse, and then we'll activate your screen mouse. This control I put on my own, control and middle click and the Q, but by default you should have the primary and secondary, which is your left and right mouse click, your arrows to move around, shifting, this is to hide all the buttons, that's your inventory button. You'll just have the jump button over here, but I added all these. You have your mouse, you have your debug, which is the F whatever it's called to show that debug screen. You have the chat option, for if you're in the game you press T to chat. I believe you can also just change that in the controls, like options controls. You have your keyboard to pop up, you have tab and third person mode. Now let's say you want to have mods. want to play modded Minecraft. Now you go to the following. You're gonna have to install the jar version that you're gonna need. Like, let's say for instance, you want to play 1.12. We're gonna have to download Forge 1.12. Now I already did that. This is all my add-ons and mods. So I already have Forge 1.12. You just click on that, and it's gonna show you into this log output. Just click on the X and just follow the instructions here. You just click on OK, and you need to have a data connection with this as well. But then you just click OK, and then it will import for you everything for Forge, and it will tell you, great, you have successfully installed it, and then you can just force close, and then you should have your Forge 1.12.2 folder. Now you can run it by default. It will still work. You just need an active connection to import all the 1.12 features into the jar. So just leave your data connection on and click on play. And then once it's loaded on the normal screen, just close out. And now if you want to put mods into your mods folder, you're gonna have to download the mods first for the concurrent version that you have. Like I'm on 1.12.2, and then you want to go into your files. Some Android people like me on Android 12, we can't go into our folders, into the game folder itself, because of Android restrictions. But there's a nice app called Files, which I'll leave a link in the description of this video, that you can go into, and you can go into your Pojav launcher folder. And then you want to I don't know if there's going to be a mods folder by default. If there's no mods folder in here, like look, when you go into files, you go to Pojav launcher. If you don't see the .minecraft, you just go here, like this. If it looks like this, you do show hidden files, and then you should have the .minecraft. You go into .minecraft. If you don't have a mods folder, you just go on top, new folder, you type in mods, and you click OK. I already have one here, and this is where you're going to put all of the mods. Even Optifine goes in here. Like there's my Optifine right there. So yeah, and that's basically it. I hope you guys are gonna have a fun time with dealing with Minecraft Java. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Ben, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and I'll try to get to it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you guys succeed in getting this Minecraft Java on your phone, if your phone can run it. So if you want to have good RAM, yeah, you can tweak your memory allocation. Because I have a good phone, I can set it to the max. If you don't have a good device, I'd recommend you lower it. Just keep on lowering it until it's optimized enough. It will just warn you if you have too much RAM allocating your phone. Then you can just configure it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This video is getting too long. And if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.